Here I have SEATEL L4 and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key and let's choose power off and tap OK to confirm the operation. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. So let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, keep holding both keys. And if nothing happens, you can release both keys and start holding again, power key and volume down. Release both keys as soon as SEATEL logo pops up. As you can see, the Android system recovery pops up in front of you. Here you can navigate by using